Hi there. So today I'm going to take you inside probably one of my favorite models. I had called my gal that I work with in Rivertown. Her name is Andrea. Her and I do a lot of deals together. So do not go to new construction without me, because I can absolutely give you the good, bad, and the ugly and get you a better deal. I can absolutely try. I don't always guarantee it, but I put my money where my mouth is. So we'll leave it at that. Today I'm going to show you my favorite model for investment, or if you're working from home, in a price point under $500,000. So this is called the Blair model, and it's a 3-bedroom with a flex room, and it has 2-bath, 2-car garage. Okay, it's priced at $459. It was just, had a pretty good price reduction, and it's not quite done. So if you're interested in this, after you see my video, let's go take a look. By the way, I am Gail DeMarco, and I do have a particular enticing program where if you work with me at close of escrow, I will reimburse you up to $2,500 in traveling expenses. It's called my Fly, Drive, and Buy program. So I'll reimburse you for a hotel, for internet on the airplane. No, somebody just asked me that. I have a funny character standing in front of me. I will reimburse you for rental cars, dinners, hotel, airfare. So you just even buy you a new pair of shoes if you walk here. Reach out to me and I would love to show you any models that you're looking at online. I'll go out there and find them for you. So let's go take a look at the Blair model and let me know what you think. Let's go take a look. What I love about the Forest, they're 40-foot lots, not huge lots, but not everybody wants to take care of a big yard. Anyway, it's a premier series. All the driveways are paved, yippee. The reason I love this model, it's called the Blair model, is because it actually is a 3-bedroom with a flex room. So if you're thinking that you may work from home, or you're thinking for an investment like I do, when I'm looking at properties, I'm looking at what could I sell? What could I buy that I could sell for more money if I had to? Love the 10-foot ceilings. And here's your laundry room. It's a busy day here in Rivertown today. I just came across 4 different realtors. Now, I love how big this is. Look how wide it is, right? When you're looking at this is it's a Blair model, 1738 square feet. So I'm gonna walk in here and I'm gonna go directly to the guest rooms. So you got your bathroom. Now we're in construction, people, so this is not really finished. I did break in, just add another felony to my long list of priors in real estate. On the 1750 square feet, I always like to put my back against the wall of where the headboard's going to be. And so if I'm gonna be next to a house, and this is a single story, you wanna see, number one, I'm all about natural light and the house next door to me. So here is this room again. So my headboard is here. I see absolutely no neighbors, that's nice. So again, here's your eat-in nook. You could put your kitchen table right there. You could put a nice rectangular one there, it's big enough. And as you know, if you've seen any of my videos, I like maple, the new maple. Del Webb is huge on this. It's not like the maple that we used to have. It's a little bit different. All right, people, this sink would drive me crazy. I would want it replaced. How do you wash big pans? Anyway, that would make me nuts, only because my husband is a phenomenal chef. So great cabinets, good space. They will be putting appliances in here. I don't know what the flooring is gonna be. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be tile, but I can check if you're interested. And if the sink doesn't bother you, it's no biggie, but it is under counter mount, so I don't think it's a big deal to change it. Okay, so I asked Andrea, my favorite person that I work with over in in Rivertown, Well, she sells Water Song as well. Like, I'm looking for an investment. What should I get? She said, get the Blair. Get the Blair because it's a 3-bedroom with a flex room. And most people are working from home. So this is a really nice size. And I like that because if I was here or here, there's no windows that are people peering in. So when I'm on my phone or on my computer, privacy. So here's your flex room. Nice big wide kitchen. And you could absolutely put bar stools there. Absolutely. There's plenty of room. All right. I'll take you to my favorite part after, but let's go to the master. And I do like how this door is set. It's really, really nice. I would do some trail. Yes, it is a water view. It's a gorgeous water view. This is priced at $459. It was just reduced. Wasn't reduced a whole lot, but it was just reduced. Okay, my back is against the wall where the headboard would go. So I'd wake up and I'd see that beautiful wide water view. And here we are in the master. Oh good, no mirrors, you don't have to look at me. Oh great, this looks like my shower when my husband comes home from his construction job. Ugh. Except for it's missing the clothes on the floor. He doesn't watch my videos, so I can talk about him. Big closet. Oh, it is a big closet. I am walking to each corner. Now it's hard for you to see because there aren't any closet shelves in here, so you can see the tile. Nice maple cabinets. Okay, let's go to my favorite peep, my favorite spot. So do you see how this house right here is set back? So you could be on your patio and you're not gonna see them. And this is stubbed for gas. So if you wanna put in a nice summer kitchen, you could do that right here. And I would absolutely fight for you to get this all screened in, among some other things. So it looks like the grass is dead. No, just kidding. Looks like there's no grass. So here's my favorite thing. I'm gonna walk in my booth. I am facing directly west. So you will have incredible, incredible sunset because this is directly south and this is directly west right there. So it'll just spray right into this gorgeous pond. The reflections are gonna be incredible. And the last house I was at, I noticed the way the houses were set. The neighbors had their air conditioner right there and it was noisy. And then we have ours, right? I like the way it's set back a little bit. It's like dueling air conditioners. So those are things I look out for. So if you are interested in purchasing a new home, here, let me flip the camera. So those are the things that when you're looking at new construction, because especially if you're buying a house next to an empty lot, we kind of want to know, what would be the best place to place our house so we don't have a privacy issue. And if you're living in a different state, which most of you are, I could come out here on site. And today, like I said, I was super excited because this is winter. We're faking our winter here because it's really about 68 degrees. But when I left the house this morning, it was like 50, maybe 57. So I was super excited about that. And now I'm dying of the heat. It's January, it's Florida, it's just incredible. So if you are interested at all, any of the homes here, new construction or resale, or just want to learn about why everybody's picking St. Johns County to relocate besides the incredible schools, we're in the top 3 of all the schools in Florida. Just reach out to me because I have an incredible program and it's called my Fly, Drive, and Buy program. So I will reimburse you up to $2,500 in any traveling expenses, at closing. So if you have a hotel, rental car, or if you have, airfare, gas bills, cocktail bills, dinner bills, I just want to make it easy for you. So ask me about that and I will absolutely give you credit on that. And my phone number is 904-640-8000. And again, I'm Gail DeMarco. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have a particular model that you're looking at online and you want me to go out there and walk in the mud for you and find, today I walked in mud, I walked in water, and I probably need to throw my shoes away. I'm happy to do that because I love it. So again, thank you so much. I look forward to working with you.